Most people don't buy a CNC because they want another machine taking up space in the shop. They buy one because they can already picture a custom sign, a detailed carving, an inlay, a personalized gift, or even a product they can sell. But getting the machine is only the beginning. You still have to learn how to take an idea and turn it into something the CNC can actually make. Maybe you're researching your first CNC. Maybe yours came with Carveco Maker and you aren't sure what Carveco is or where to begin. Or maybe you've been piecing projects together one YouTube video at a time. If that sounds like you, Timberfalls Academy was built for you. If you've watched my Timberfalls videos on YouTube, you know I spend a lot of time teaching CNC and Carveco. I've spent years creating tutorials, designing and machining projects, and helping students one-on-one. Through all of that experience, I kept seeing the same problem. Beginners weren't struggling because they couldn't learn. They were struggling because the information was scattered and they didn't know what to learn first or even which questions to ask. That's why I created Carveco Maker Fundamentals inside Timberfalls Academy. This isn't a random collection of videos or a tour of every button. It's an organized learning path that takes you from the basic terms and concepts through design, toolpaths, and preparing a project for your machine. We start with CNC foundations so you understand the language and basic ideas behind the process. Then, inside Carveco Maker, you'll learn how to create and edit artwork, work with vectors and three-dimensional reliefs, and learn to build and simulate the toolpaths your projects need. The course also includes practical guides for making cool projects like CNC inlays and photo V carving, along with tips and tricks that make the workflow easier. Whether you want to create for yourself or build products to sell, you'll have a foundation you can keep building on. The goal isn't to teach you how to copy one of my projects. It's to help you understand why each step matters, so you can look at your own idea and decide how to design it, which toolpaths it needs, and how to solve problems when something doesn't go as planned. You don't need experience with CNC, woodworking, CAD, CAM, or Carveco to begin. You can learn at your own pace, and your enrollment includes lifetime access, so you can repeat lessons and return whenever you need a refresher. You'll also receive 1 full year inside the Timberfalls Elite Discord community. That gives you a place to ask questions, share screenshots and projects, learn with other CNC creators, and get support when your project is different from the course example. The course gives you the clear path. The Discord community gives you support while you put what you're learning into practice. Whether you want to create for yourself or build products to sell, you'll have a foundation you can keep building on. During the Founders Launch, the complete Carveco Maker Fundamentals course, including the project guides, tips and tricks, lifetime access, and 1 year inside the Timberfalls Elite Discord community, is available for a one-time payment of $297. There are no monthly course payments, and you can begin learning as soon as you enroll. The Founders Launch ends the 1st of January 2027. After that, the price increases to $397. So enrolling before the deadline saves you $100. If you've been waiting for the right place to start, this is it. Visit timberfalls.us/academy and enroll in Carveco Maker Fundamentals before the Founders Launch ends. Stop piecing everything together one video at a time. Start turning your ideas into finished CNC projects. And let's make BIT happen!